Well, it's definitely tuning season. I've been very busy doing a lot of carburetor rebuild lately, and what I have here is a set of HS2s in for a complete cosmetic rebuild, and that means that I have to use my vapor honing cabinet, to produce nice finishes like this on these parts. As you can see, it does a great job. I really like it because it makes everything look new. It also feels really nice to the touch. But this set needed to be fully stripped, cleaned, prepped, so all the gasket surfaces got, surfaced. Everything that needs to be addressed with on the carburetors was dealt with. This set actually was so low mileage that it did not actually need a set of bushes. These bushes are still quite nice and tight on a factory new throttle shaft, so I did not have to replace the bushes on this set. However, I still had to calibrate the dampers, the rise rate, the fall rate, etc. So plenty of work that needed to be done. Now, I'm always going to use a genuine SU rebuild kit because it has the best collection of parts to rebuild these carbs. So if you're doing a rebuild, I highly recommend a genuine SU kit. Yes, they cost more, but they cost more for a reason. Now, I've gone ahead and also taken care of all the throttle linkage, cleaned all that up, cleaned up the springs. So yeah, all the mechanicals will be assembled here shortly, but I just figured I'd lay it out and show you guys what it looks like. Now, I've also had to do another set of HS4s, as you can see here in another video. This is from the Cooper S project that was in for tuning work. Now, this set got a functional rebuild rather than a cosmetic rebuild. As you can see, the surfaces are still the way they were. They just got really, really well cleaned before I refit it to the car. But yep, certainly been busy. Like I said, we started the tuning season. You never know what to expect, and mine is starting out with 2 sets of twin carbs. So if you guys need any carb repair work, let me know, or tuning work, let me know, because I can certainly help you out with whatever your needs are. And if you need tuning work, again, send me a message. I can help with remote tunes, as I've featured in other videos past, where uh, the client and I will discuss what the car needs and then go through the process of actually doing the tuning. So I can certainly help in that regard if anyone needs any tuning service. But either way, give me a shout. Let me know if you need any help with carbs, because it's the start of the season and I want to get my car out just as, just like you guys. And I've been really busy lately, but as the weather warms up, I'm definitely going to be out driving around enjoying one of my cars, either my sedan or my estate or whatever. So it always seems like every year there's a mad rush, and I do my best to try and prevent it. So I have other carburetors already rebuilt, sitting on the shelf waiting to go for any future tuning needs. And I'll do another video on those carbs here shortly. But yeah, I figured I'd just show you guys a quick shot of what it looks like on my bench right now at this time of year. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.